very proud on our on-the-road expos, and I'm very excited about these because it helps our entrepreneurs come to one place and ask 80 agencies any question about starting, growing, or just saving their business.
Yeah, I think this is really cool because you can ask free insurance questions, free tax questions, free IRS or law questions, and you can get some sort of surface answers by walking around and seeing what's going on that'll point you in the right direction.
Here at Fifth Third, we do understand the importance of small business. We understand that there are people out there with goals to have their own business, and that's what really helps the economy grow. So we want to continue to support such an important event and help these people accomplish their dreams and goals of becoming business owners.
What brought me here today was that I'm very interested in starting my own business, getting some financial security, some financial freedom. I recently moved to Chicago, and I do feel that this is the place for that move.
And that was amazing, all the opportunities that I was able to get just by seeing what was going on. And I'm happy to have a food truck, and I plan on expanding to get more food trucks, and hopefully just take it all across Chicago.
I think it's been nothing short of a revolution. Our name is a tribute to what's happened in craft beer. It's a tribute to my community organizing past. I like to say I'm a socialist with a capitalism problem these days that we're trying to figure out. And you got to believe in yourself. I think it's important. And you got to write that business plan. You know, take your time, write a good business plan, be willing to change it, and don't forget to, I don't know, stop and have a cold beer every once in a while because that's what it's all about, right?
We would love to have more and more brewing, especially in our city, and distillery, because I think we are now becoming a destination for these types of things, similar to what Michigan or Wisconsin always was. Now Chicago is really leading those other states in this area.
Come and see us at any of our community workshops, community expos, or at City Hall. So we encourage people to come in. We have one more on-the-road expo before the end of the year and learn about these exciting workshops.